how to download Oduwa Core Wallet. Oduwa Core Wallet is a consensus permissionless decentralized network, the most trusted wallet to store Oduwa coin and also a staking machine for node operators to participate in mining. Bootstrap or blockchain database contain the entire blocks and chain state that speed up the synchronization procedure so that your wallet can catch the current block height in the ecosystem beginning from the genesis block. In this video, we are going to show you how to download staking wallet on your computer and start mining Oduwa coins. So I am on my Google Chrome and I will type Oduwa GitHub. So it is going to be ODUWA space GitHub. And the first link that you see here in the video, you need to click on this link, and on the right side under releases you will see Oduwa coin 2.0.0.1 IVIE, the latest version. Click on it and then you will be able to see this page where it shows the download link for Oduwa. I'm going to repeat and show it to you. And here at the bottom under assets you will see all the download links for the software. So what I'm doing here, first before downloading any of the version or the link, I'm going to check my system in configuration, whether it is a 32-bit operating system or a 64-bit operating system. So mine is going to be the 64-bit operating system. As you can see on the screen, it is 64-bit operating system. So I'm going to click on the link which is for 64-bit operating system, and once I do that, the zip file is going to download on the bottom left. You have to download two things actually. First one is the download link for the wallet, and the second one is the Bootstrap. Bootstrap is nothing but blocks and chains. That is the database of the wallet which improves or synchronizes the process of wallet. Like whenever you install a wallet, you have to have these blocks and chains that are in the database. So if you are not able to open the link in Google Chrome, you have to open Microsoft Edge, copy the link and paste it. And here is my wallet. I'm going to extract the files. I'm going to double click on it and the extraction procedure will start. And in the meantime, I'm going to copy this link for database and open it in Microsoft Edge, this browser. So I'm going to paste the link over here and click on enter. And once I do that, this is going to download the, all right. Here my wallet, as you can see, I have extracted the files and it is complete. I'll click on next, full installation, and then I'll click on create a desktop shortcut. That will create a shortcut on my desktop for Oduwa coin. Now these files are getting extracted, installation procedure, and let me check what's up with the database files. So this is also getting downloaded. As you can see on the screen, it is almost 115 MB file, and this is also completed for my wallet. So once you download the wallet, you will get this kind of screen where extracting blocks, and then you will see Oduwa coin and there will be a wallet that is loading up on your screen, and you will get a warning from your Windows Defender. Click on allow access so that none of the features are blocked for your wallet. And now once you do this, you will see your wallet is 34.46% and this is increasing. So it takes days and months for update. That is the reason why what we are doing to improve or synchronize the process. We are downloading the database, the first link which we have pasted on Microsoft Edge. So I'm going to app data. First of all, let me copy this blocks and chains. Oduwa Coin DB. This is the database link, the first link on the website when you open the GitHub. So I'm going to copy blocks and change state, and I'm going to open app data from my run window. If you don't know how to open run window, you just have to press and hold the 4 flag Windows key and then hit the letter R as in Romeo. You will see in app data there is a roaming folder. Click on roaming folder and there you will see Oduwa Coin. In Oduwa Coin, I want you to delete each and everything except wallet.dat file. Delete everything, and then you have to paste the blocks and change state that you have copied from database folder. As you can see, blocks and change states are pasted over here. Now you have to close this folder, and once you close the folder, open Oduwa Coin once again. There is a shortcut on your desktop. Double click on it, and as you can see, it was 33% before and now it is 97.32%, and the process speed and synchronization has increased, and this is your Oduwa staking wallet for your desktop. Now quickly I'm going to tell you each and everything about the wallet. If you click on your receive section and click on request payment, you will see your wallet QR code and the wallet address which starts with uppercase A. This is your wallet address. Anyone who wants to send coins, or you want to send coins to yourself, to your staking wallet on your desktop, just copy this wallet address and paste it in the send section of your platform, any of the other Oduwa platforms. So in the overview, as you can see, in settings, you have to unlock the wallet. Unless and until you unlock the wallet, you will not be able to stake the coins. And I'll click on tick for staking only, click on OK. And if you want to take the backup of your wallet, what you can do is click on file, and the second option you will see backup wallet. Click on backup wallet and save this wallet, and whenever or wherever you want to run your staking wallet, once again you just have to keep this file with you in your pen drive, hard drive, or maybe email or anything. It's a small DAT file that you have to keep with you, but this file will only open once you type your passphrase. When you first set up your wallet, you will get a chance to edit the passphrase. So this is the security that you receive at the time of installation of your Oduwa wallet. So I again repeat, if you want to start staking, you have to transfer the coins to your Oduwa staking wallet on your desktop. This is the wallet address or the QR code. If you have your Oduwa Pay in your smartphone and you have your coins in your Oduwa Pay, just scan the QR code over here and transfer the coins and unlock the wallet and start staking Oduwa coins. Once in every 24 to 48 hours, you will be seeing the mining coins getting into your staking wallet. You will see the number getting increased. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.